Now children, this is another question that is based on the Biot-Savart law, that is two identical circular loops P and Q, each of radius r. These are the two loops P and Q, and they have a current I and 2I, and they have a same radius r. Okay, they are lying in the parallel planes. This is the parallel planes, such that they have a common axis. This is the common axis, and their centers are at a distance of 2r. This is the 2r. So the direction of current in both the loops is clockwise when you will see it from the point O. So direction of current here also clockwise and here also clockwise when you are observing from O, and which is equidistant from the both the loops at a distance r from the center here and at a distance r from the center here. You have to find out the net magnetic field at the point O. So see, first of all, the magnetic field at the point O due to the current in the coil P. So when you will see the direction of current from the point O for this loop, this is clockwise direction. So when the current is clockwise direction, what is the direction of the magnetic field at the point O? This is the inward direction, perpendicular to the plane, and at the center it will be inward direction. So the magnetic field at O due to the current in the coil P, that is B1 is equal to mu naught I r square divided by 2. In place of x you will write x, this distance x is equal to r. So r square plus r square, this is radius r, so this is r square to the power 3 by 2. And when you will solve it, you will be getting mu naught I upon 4 root 2 r. And what is the direction? Towards O2 C1. So towards OC1. Now when you will see the direction of current in the coil Q, observing from the point O, so this direction is also clockwise direction. So when this is the direction clockwise, what is the direction of the magnetic field at the center? Perpendicular to this plane of the coil and in the inward direction. So this will be the inward direction. So what is the direction of the magnetic field at the point O due to this current? Towards OC1, OC2, towards OC2. And the magnetic field at O due to this current in the coil P, B2 is equal to mu naught. What is the value of current? This is 2I. So in place of I, you will write 2I. And r square divided by 2, r square plus x square means r square to the power 3 by 2. When you will solve this expression, you will be getting mu naught I upon 2 root 2 r. And what is the direction? OC2. See, in these two expressions, this is the current 2I and this is the current I, but naturally B2 is greater than B1. This magnetic field is greater than this magnetic field because here you have a 2I. So the net magnetic field at the point O you will be getting by the difference of these two, because both the magnetic fields are in the opposite direction. This is towards OC1 and this is towards OC2. So take the difference of these two expressions, and by solving it you will be getting B is equal to mu naught I upon 4 root 2 r. And what is the direction of the net magnetic field? Towards the greater field side. So which field is greater? B2 is greater. So that is why net magnetic field is directed towards the OC2.